How are you feeling today? Me? I'm super nervous right now because I need to present my work in 3 minutes. All of the ups and downs in our emotions are largely controlled by one of the neurotransmitters, serotonin, in our central nervous system. The dysregulation of serotonin is implicated in many mental disorders like anxiety, addiction disorder, and especially depression. In US, every 1 in 5 people are affected yearly. Globally, 300 million people suffer from it. Despite the prevalence of these mental disorders, unfortunately, our current knowledge about their molecular mechanisms is still very limited. This is where my research steps in. If we can observe serotonin release in brain, then we will be able to investigate the molecular mechanisms behind serotonin dysfunction. But how can we do that? Serotonin is such a small molecule that it is not visible. To solve this problem, my professor and I have developed a tool, a synthetic chemical. We call it fluorescent phos neurotransmitter, abbreviated as FFN. The word phos in its name implies that, well, it's not a real neurotransmitter, but close enough. FFN mimics the movement of serotonin, which means that it can be transported into the neuron and then being released, just as serotonin does inside our brain. This fluorescent chemical emits light, allowing us to visualize the movement of serotonin under microscopes. The light intensity of FFN is related to the quantity of serotonin. That is to say, the brighter we see, the more serotonin there is. FFN serves as a molecular tool to explore the unknown about serotonin signaling. For example, by tracing serotonin release, we will be able to investigate how depression and other mental disorder alter the serotonin level in patients' brain. We can also study the action of psychiatric drugs by monitoring the difference in serotonin level after the medications. This can provide useful information for future drug development and design. The diverse application of FFN help us to investigate the molecular mechanisms behind the serotonin dysfunction toward exploring better treatment. Hopefully, with the help of FFN, people can overcome mental illness and live a happier life. Thank you.